Hi guys, we're back at the Hendersonville Cruz. It is May, what is it today, 10th. So let's check out, let's get in and check out these classics and what people have brought tonight. It's every Friday in Hendersonville, Tennessee at the Target store / Jack's Wax. Alright guys, don't forget to hit the like button, comment your favorite vehicle of the car show, cruise and night, and also like and subscribe if you like this type of stuff. We come back every week with car show content for you guys. Corvette coming up. Nice. Look at this. Old Stingray. You guys are in the Hendersonville area, definitely check this out. I think it goes Fridays from like 6 to 8 every week throughout the summer. We have a lot of classic car shows coming up this summer, including the Redneck Rumble, which is huge. We got Redneck Rumble, LS Fest, pretty much anything custom car wise, we will be there. Car, truck, we love it all. Old Nova, very nice motor. Thunderbird's nice, we saw it last time. Seats are nice. I went in there. Old Bel Air. All right, guys, what another amazing turnout at the Hendersonville Cruz in every Friday. We'll put the information below, but check out the video on the left and the right hand side of the screen. Till next time, keep exploring, and we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we post. See ya.